All right, what I want to show you today is how we are able to create a ticket from a sale order. So first step is to go and check out our project here. We'll see we have two tasks here. Um, One new one, which I received via email. Yeah, also if you want to know how to create tasks via email, it's pretty simple. Send an email to that email. And you can see here, I sent this email, went to get the project going. And if I open this up, I'll see here, want to get the project going. So you can create them that way via email. Another way is directly from the sale order, which if I go to the sale order, I create a quote right here. I select my customer. I select a product. We'll set the online product, none in stock, but it's okay. And we'll also set the setup fee here. Now, when I save that, it'll automatically sync the project, give me an idea of where it's going. But when I confirm the order, it will automatically generate the task in that project, as well as the delivery order for the physical hardware I sold. I can access the task, of course, right through here. Shows me sale order 16 setup. You can see this is sale order 16. I can also, as you can imagine, your setup people and the services team will be living in the project here. They'll click this and they'll see sale order 16 set up as a new item for them to work on. And they can, of course, go in here, see the project, they can assign it to people, description, timesheet collection, see the customer from here, access that customer record right through here if they want. Go back to the task, you can access the sale order if you want really quickly, jump right back in through that delivery order with a click of a button, and then right back to the task. So you can see how easily you're able to navigate in a system when you're generating and working on tasks through here. From here, you can schedule, move the task through different stages. Of course, those stages it will reflect that movement on the interface here. You have a chatter down here, which will allow you to send emails directly to all followers, including the customer here. Um, if send it, they'll be able to control all communication. If Fabienne Peschel responds, it will track that response. They can log notes here. This is more for internal purposes, but you'll be able to specify someone you want to send a note to, send the email, and it will send them the note. And if they respond to the note, then of course this note will be tracked. This will not be able to be seen by the customer. Anything grayed out is unseeable to the customer. Next thing I want to talk about here is the different views. So if I go into here and I want to schedule an activity, I can certainly schedule an activity. Maybe I want to call to get information. Schedule the deadline as the 17th. This will tell me it has to be done on the 16th. I can see that activity here. When I go look at my tasks, I can see all of them. I can change list views. You can group by project, who it's assigned to. I can see Mitch Bossie's got two. Group by stage is an extra layer there if I want. Mitch Bossie shows all the stages each task is in of his. I can see things through a calendar view. I can see here the setup, for the 18th, with the deadline, of course, being the 19th. I can see, with this view here, spits out a bunch of numbers. I can, see here any initially planned hours, progress made, hours spent, working days to close, total hours spent. So calculate all sorts of data on the setup team if you want to. And yeah, lastly, just different pie chart views. You can group by project, by task, by state, by stage. Pretty basic. You can look at like a pie chart, see one task per stage. So pretty straightforward. I didn't get into deeper stuff like forecasting and making sure that each technician who's responsible for setting up has enough time in their day to execute the setups. This will all help improve efficiency internally and allow you to manage the setup of all of these different products much more efficiently. So that is essentially how you can create it from the sale order. So if you have any other questions or if anything's unclear here, just let me know. Thanks so much for listening.